In this presentation, let us talk on how to bind our bot to Binance. Remember, all your trades are being done in Binance for you. So we would first of all click on Real Q. Then we'll go to API binding, which you can see here. So we'll click on it. So you can see it's showing gray because we've not bounded it to either Huobi or Binance. So since I want to bind to Binance, I would click on Binance. Now I need to get these details from Binance API key and secret key. So basically I would go to Binance. As you can see, this was the same account. You can see it has not yet been verified. It's just that first stage verification which we did earlier. So this is what I'm going to use to show you that you can still operate everything, even for those who are having issues with verification on Binance. So I would go to more, which is over here. Click on more. Then I'll go to API management. You can see API management. So I'll click on it. So you can see. So what I need to do now is the name of API. So since it's Royal Q, I'll just type Royal Q. Then I'll click on create API. So before I create API, I need two things. Remember, I did two steps authentication, email and phone number. So I'll click on them. So an email has been sent and an SMS with the code, two verification codes have been sent. So let me just pause it and copy them and paste them here. So now that I've pasted the two codes, you can see the submit sign has highlighted. So I'll click on submit. So you can see this is the API. I'll click on this button here to expand it to see more details. So you can see this is my API key, this is my secret key. Or usually, and these are the restrictions to the API, meaning the bot is only able to read and it is able to trade. These are the only two things. That's why they want to check. Every other thing here, enable withdrawals, you can see it. Enable withdrawals and the rest are not checked. So meaning the bot cannot withdraw your money. It cannot do anything. It cannot enable vanilla options, meaning they cannot hack you. So this is to tell you your Binance is safe. So first of all, I need to copy this secret key. So I'll just need to copy it. I like copying the secret key first because most times if you minimize and you come back to Binance, it might now show you 5 stars here, meaning you cannot copy the secret key again because it's supposed to be secret. So meaning you have to delete this API and do a new API. Just delete it and start the process again. So I'll just copy it and go to my bot. Then since it's secret key, I'll paste it here, secret key. So I'll paste it, come back again, copy the API and come back here. I paste API, simple. I click on send for them to send me the code, not to my email. So I click on send. So it has been sent. I'll check my email, refresh it. You can see the email has come. So I'll copy it and come back and I'll paste it. Then I'll click here that I've read the instruction. Click that box and click on bind. It's showing verification code error. Let me see. Oh, okay, 790951. I need to put 21 instead of 51. I wrote 511. So bind. Yeah, you can see bound to my Binance. Then the next step now would be funding and activation. That's stage 3 of the whole process.